Go.
I told you once, I've told you twice, stop smoking a blow, but you're still doing it. So therefore, son, there's the door, use it, I don't want you anymore.
I will.
Out you go, and don't come back until you're clean.
After arguing with my dad, I had nowhere to go and I had to find somewhere to stay. I stayed with my mucker for a few weeks, but he couldn't afford the both of us, so I had to leave.
Yo, bro. Sorry, bro. You're gonna have to go, man. I can't afford to keep you here alone, man. Yeah, sick, man. Good bro.
I had to sleep on the street, scared to sleep, just in case my stuff got nicked or what happened to me. I had nothing to do, so I smoked some weed to pass the time and forget my situation.
Pretty dark yellow, man. So good. I like that.
Sleeping on the streets was scary and lonely. I didn't know where to go and who could help until I found leaflet about yellow whales. They helped me find a place to stay and get qualifications. Finally things are looking up.